Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add a VPN in iPhone settings without installing a third-party app. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Safari app. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. Now from here, make sure you select only L2TP/IPsec. Now, once you select only L2TP IPsec, just tap on Refresh Server List. Now, once you refresh the server list, now from here, just select the server with the least ping. Now, once you select the server with the least ping, now just select the server address, then tap on Copy. Now, once you do that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now, just go to General, and from here you will find the option of VPN and Device Management. Just tap on it, then tap on VPN, and from here just select Add VPN Configuration. Now first of all, just tap on Type and select L2TP. After that, just go back. Now in description you can enter any name. You can even enter your own name, just like that. Now in server, just paste the copied server address, just like that. Now in account, just type VPN in small letters, and in password also type VPN with small letters, and also in secret type VPN in small letters. Now once you do that, just tap on Done. Now from here just select the VPN we have just created, then enable VPN status. Now as you can see, it is connecting. Now as you can see, we have successfully connected VPN on our iPhone. Now if you swipe down from the top right of the screen, you can see that we have successfully set a VPN on our iPhone. And this is how you can add VPN in iPhone settings without installing a third-party app. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.